Welcome guys to a brand new video. Today I'm showing you how to install a custom GIF on your Ajazz ak820 Pro keyboard. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website in the description and download their software for your keyboard. If you already have that, that's great. If you don't, go down below and download it and then come back. You're then going to click this TFT here. You're going to click new. Just click this, that's all you've got to click. Don't click the plus yet. You're then going to go to this site here, Tenor, and you're going to find any one that you like. I'm just going to use a random one for now. This one will do. Okay, and we're then going to do this. Save image as. Click save, and then see it's downloaded here. Right. You're then going to get this website up called Easy GIF. Okay. Now, once you have done that, let me just go back. Yeah. Okay, you're going to choose your... Sorry. Click your downloads button, drag it in there, and it's like this. Now, you can crop it if you want, easy. You can change the speed, you can do whatever you want. But if you want to keep how it is, click split. Split the frames. Okay. Download frames as a zip. As in download here. You're then going to go to your files. Okay. And you're going to right click on it, left click, right click, extract all, extract. Yeah. Okay. And then when you get this, you can go back to your thing, click the plus, click yes, and then downloads. Go to the split that you did. Go all the way down, open. I've done the wrong one, but it will be the right one for you. And you would click upload to keyboard. It will say loading. Now once the loading has done, on your keyboard there will be the GIF that you have uploaded. Hope this video helps you guys. If it did, drop subscribe, like and comment the next how-to tutorial you want me to do. Have a good day guys.